Alright, we're going for a ride out in the blizzard. Not sure how well you guys can see, but it's coming down pretty good. About 7:45-ish. We're here in East Norman. We decided to take a little ride to the bank, the Walmart, because why not, right? Nice and slow. We'll let Pater get her first snow drive in. She'll be alright. Not too slick right now, but man, it's coming down pretty good. It was sleet earlier. I think it switched to snow. That's straight there. It's not too slick, man, and everybody looks like they're going decent speed. Nobody's too scared. That's Dimensions, man. I don't know why they got a blue light like the police, but whatever, right? It's cold as fuck, I'll tell you that. Alright, we'll do a little more here on the way back.